Hi guys, um, today I would like to show you how to change the battery of Acura, the Acura RDX, and the models. Why when I think the models you can change it is like 2016 to 2021 or 20. So this one is 2020. So what do we do? First, they have this one. This is a hole over here. Okay, a little bit here. You can see this. This one. Yes, we will put this one here, over here, right? Put here, and we remove this one. Yeah. After remove this one, we have to use this one. We already have this one. Yes, here. We have a little bit. Like this because it's too heavy. This one is very hard than other one, so you can use this one to open it. A little bit hard. Let's go. Okay. It's a little bit hard to move this one. Say. Yeah, here you can put it one over here, so we can go with. So our row is over here like this. Yeah. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. And this one, okay, you can see the CR 2032 CR 2032 T-volt. So you put it out, and I have two over here. Yeah, two over here, so we can use this one. I change any charger here. That means you can buy this one in the market or in the Amazon. I bought this one in Wish market. It's only like only $5. I don't know exactly, but in Amazon it's too cheap. So here we can open this one. You can use this one to open it. I don't know, this a little bit very difficult to a little bit hard to uh, to change the battery. I don't know. Oh my goodness. We can go over. I take this over here. So this one, this have this one, and this one, because I am the first time to do this, but I think it's easy to. But compare with other key, this one is very hard to change. Okay, remove this one out and we put this one in. Yeah, so now it's okay. So we put this back. Yeah, put this back. Okay, so that's been closed. Yeah, that's okay. Put this one back. Then okay, just very quickly to show you for Acura RDX. Okay, hope this video feel useful for you, because this is the first time when I change this. I don't know exactly what it is, but I compare with other key. This one is a little bit harder to change. Okay, thank you so much for your watching. See you in next video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Thank you so much. See you in next video.